In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete contacts from your phone book from the Telegram application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Telegram app. After that, tap right here to go to settings. Then scroll down a bit until you find here privacy and security. On the next step, we need to scroll down to the very bottom where we can easily find data settings. And on the next step, here at the top, we can easily find the sync contacts option. So first off, in order to stop syncing contacts from your phone book with the Telegram app, we need to deactivate this option just like that. And to remove the existing synced contacts, I recommend you to tap right here at delete synced contacts, and then right here to confirm it, hit add delete. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.